Let's see, Minnow, are you sick? You have a cough?
No.
I hope he didn't catch that from you.
I hope not. Are you sick? I am sick. Thank you for asking.
I'm thinking it's probably because Kenny gives him too many real kisses. Maybe you should just blow him a kiss.
Better idea. Give me a kiss. Here's your kiss.
Minnow's got a pretty good singing voice, too.
He does. Can you whistle a tune? Good boy.
Well, that was pretty good, but this next one I think is going to send shockwaves through the audience.
It will. Drop a bomb. Good boy.
Hey, Kenny, Jerry didn't do a very good job waking me up this morning. You think Minnow could?
I think so. Good morning. Yeah. No, good morning. Good boy.
Now, Kenny and Minnow work together almost every day, but on Kenny's days off, Minnow's always looking for him.
Yes. Where's Ken? I'm right here. We're going to do that again. Ready? Come on. Oh, now you're not going to do it. Ready? Where's Ken? There we go.
Well, I think that's about all we've got for Minnow, isn't it?
I think so. Can you say bye? Yeah. We'll see you later, too. And how about everyone gives a big round of applause for Minnow?